Here is how to cook raw chicken wings in an air fryer and get super delicious and crispy results every time. To make this air fryer chicken wings recipe, mix together 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and give the seasoning a good mix. Now, take about 1 pound of raw and cut chicken wings and put them in the bowl. Pour the seasoning mix on the chicken wings and give them a good mix until they are evenly coated with the seasoning. Place the chicken wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket and air fry at 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then, turn the chicken wings over and cook for another 15 minutes. These air fryer chicken wings are succulent on the inside and crispy on the outside. Check out my other video here on how to cook hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer. Check it out now.